Good morning, you guys, and welcome to my daily vlog. Let's start the day with drinking some nice warm tea, and then after that, we'll do some morning stretches. In the front yard, but in the end I decided to do my morning stretches in the backyard. Breakfast time! After all of those morning stretches, I got really hungry, so I decided to fry fish. Then I got really bored, so I baked some bread. After 1 hour waiting, the dough finally arrived, and it's time for me to shape the bread. Of course, I am a huge chocolate fan, so I don't forget to put chocolate inside my bread. Place them all in a tray, and finally it's time to bake. Trust me guys, this tastes so delicious. Then after that, I did my studying in my desk. Quick outfit of the day because we are going to visit a beautiful rooftop restaurant.
Nobody told me to settle down. Nights and late nights don't get around.
We arrived, so the restaurant is on the rooftop of this beautiful hotel.
You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found.
Before they allow us to enter the restaurant, we were asked to put on hand sanitizer first and also check our temperatures.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us.
Wow, it looks so pretty. And the weather was cloudy, so it wasn't too hot when we get there.
Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Look at that view. We seriously came at the perfect time.
I got too high and almost left town, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us, gotta say the obvious.
They all look so good. Oh my God.
Nobody loves me better.
Look at the view from this place. Oh my God. Oh yeah, fun facts about this place. There are like 2 themes. One indoor and one outdoor. The one I'm walking in right now, yeah, this is outdoor, but let me show you guys the indoors one. There it is, behind that bar over there, like you can see a few chairs.
Too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us, gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves.
Don't mind me here. I'm taking a few selfies for Instagram. The drinks has finally come, and let me tell you guys, I'm not gonna sugarcoat this cafe. Everything's good about it. No, the drinks took so long to make, but it is really good though.
I'm going crazy all over you. Just for a second, can you try? Every time you've been calling, saying this is what I want, then you go for a week and leave me hanging all alone. Push me back, pull me in, and the other way around.
Then it started to get dark, and that's when it started to rain. So this is the part where I'm going to show you guys the actual indoors of this restaurant.
Can someone set me free? What do you want? What do you want?
My mom's food arrived first, so my sister came in and tried a few bites. This is something really cool. Oh my god, you guys, look at that. I swear I did not edit this, not even a little bit. I was stunned. Oh my gosh.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here.
Pizza's finally here, and I'm not gonna lie, this is so delicious. Even though it took so long to finally arrive, but it was so worth waiting.
When you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
Me and my family had to pray, so this is the musalla, and it is so comfortable. Then when I finished praying, my food was on the table and it was so delicious. I ordered dim sum, and this is the best dim sum I have tasted so far.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone. Yeah, a place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. Don't come back. And I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done. I won't come back. I have dreams about us. I just wanted to
Finish! Totally delicious. 10 out of 10.
I miss you so much. I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop.
Great food, beautiful place. Only downside is the fact that the food came too long, but it was totally worth waiting. As you can tell, I had a lot of fun, and I'm totally grateful the fact that I came here.
All the time, it's never over.
Alas, it was time to go home, and so we went down to the hotel. Quick night view of this place. It's still really pretty. Oh yeah, and just by the way, this cat really looks like the one in my house. If you actually made it till the end of the video, thank you so much. I hope you come see me in my next vlog. I love you. Bye!